It's Monday the 3rd of December, and in this video I'm looking at the latest Thunderball results. I'm going to do an analysis and make some predictions. So the machine used was Excalibur 6, set of balls T7. These are the winning numbers. For some reason I had 4 tickets. I got 2 numbers on one of them and nothing on the others, so didn't do very well. But anyway, I'll show you my analysis. So looking at the analyzer, this is the analysis for draw 2349. So in the column on the left, these are all the numbers that were most outstanding. Thunderball numbers are at the bottom and main numbers are at the top of each block, which is a summary of which numbers stand out on a chart for the specified criteria, which in this case we're looking at machine 6, set of balls 7. These are the numbers that stood out with that machine and set of balls, but they didn't come out. Instead, these numbers came out, and these are all the coincidences. So it's a coincidence that number 23 was most overdue for its frequency to occur with Thunderball number 9 and machine 6, and the same with Thunderball number 9 and set of ball 7. So 23 most overdue for its frequency, but there was nothing pointing to Thunderball number 9 or 23. However, 23 points to main number 8, so does 13, so does 35, and 13, 23, 27, 35, they all pointed to Thunderball number 9. So I'll show you what the chart looks like for that. So these are the main numbers, and if I had the Thunderball numbers, then they will appear on the right over here. So Thunderball number 9, the one with the lowest frequency, and if we look at the chart for numbers paired with Thunderball number 9, looks like that. And then if we narrow it down to machine 6, then now it looks like this. Now it looks like this. So there's 23, most overdue for its frequency, and the same if we look at set of ball 7. So there it is again. Or is it? Now it's finished. There's 23. So we're only actually looking at about 8 draws. So that's that chart and that chart. That's what we just looked at. So I could show you the charts for all these outstanding numbers, but it's not really relevant because the outstanding numbers were all these numbers, and only a tiny fraction of them actually came out. So that says to me that coincidences don't really occur all that often. So bearing that in mind, let's have a look at the chart then for all machines and sets of balls. Full draw history since the numbers went up to 39. And see what it looks like. So it's been running for quite a while, and the main numbers now seem to be spread out according to the frequencies. Quite a big spread, so it's ranging from 149 to 200. And the Thunderballs range from 76 to 117. So they're getting quite spread out. Anyway, my number's on Thunderball number 10 because it's most overdue. And the main numbers, number 5 is starting to stand out a bit as most overdue, so it's 32, most overdue for its frequency, and 30 is most frequent. So I'll probably just stick with the same numbers that I put on last time. So at this time I'm just going to buy 1 ticket instead of 4, because it's a waste of money. So I'm definitely going to have Thunderball number 10. We don't know which machine or set of balls it's going to be. I'm guessing that the current trend is probably going to continue, and that is machines 5 and 6, sets of balls 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I'll keep that the same. And 32 looks good with Thunderball number 10. And the current trend sets of balls. So I'll probably pick 32 for that reason. And 2 is good. And number 2 good with 32. And then obviously main number 5, and then maybe some of these numbers that stand out with these numbers. Especially if the same ones stand out with more than one number. So I'll probably go for these numbers. Might have one at most frequent as well. So I'll probably put these numbers on in next draw. So I hope that helps you to pick your numbers for the next draw, which is tomorrow. So good luck with that, and bye for now.